Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to square a number in Excel. So guys, it's very easy to square number in Excel. So you have any number, you need to square it. So you can very easily do it. So firstly, I need to square this 2. So firstly you type here 2, and in second cell you need to type here this is equal to key, and now select this and click on here to select this number you need to calculate, and now shift plus 6 key to type this symbol. Now you need to type here 2 and press enter. So guys, you see here, this is very easily calculate this square, very easy and simple way to calculate this square. So this way you can do it. So thanks for watching this video.